For nearly all words that start with the letter H, we must pronounce a clear H sound. The vocal folds, or vocal cords, are open from the very beginning of the word for this sound. Air passes between the open vocal folds, but the folds do not vibrate. Here are examples of typical words starting with the letter H. There must be a clear H sound at the beginning of these words. Hat, here, hint, hot, host, humble, half, hair, husband, he, his, her, how. Here are 4 exceptions. In these words, the H is never pronounced. Hour, air, honor, honest. This word is interesting. Traditionally, the H was not pronounced. In the United States, about 90% of Americans still do not pronounce the H. We say herb. The same is true for about 50% of Canadians. However, in much of the rest of the English-speaking world, the word is pronounced with an H. Herb. The name of the letter itself is interesting. For the vast majority of English speakers everywhere, it is pronounced H. There is no H sound in the name of the letter, except in Ireland, where the name of the letter is often H, with the H sound at the beginning. We hope you have enjoyed this brief tutorial. For more free tutorials and for information about speech training programs, visit www.confidentspeech.com.